What's up guys, and welcome to KW Customs. And it's been a while. First of all, I want to say sorry for how long it's been in a video. It has been a couple of months at least. People have been asking what's happening, and we've just not had the time. Let's run through what's happening. So the last couple of months has been absolutely mental. As you know, we've just took on Kyle and new ramp fitted. We have teamed up with quite a few companies, just to name a few. We've just partnered up with Autobeam for all your lighting needs. We have just signed up with CT Carbon for all your splitters, spoilers, all that kind of stuff. We're already maxed in, as you see, boxes upon boxes of maxed in stuff just for this week, for the 3 days that we're in before the new year. And we've also got a new floor, new bays. They're all done, courtesy of Butler Installations. Talking about it, there we go. So as I said, we've just took on wee Kyle. We're now offering air ride suspension, all your other suspension needs, a few other services coming soon. As I said, new ramp fitted, new floor, new bays. As a project wise, M4 still the same, nothing new. Got a couple of ideas of what we're going to do for it. We're still not getting rid of it, we're keeping it. Hilux is outside in the rain. I'm a bit of a halt with that. I'll explain that in another video. And we've got something else. A Fiesta. So we have a Ford Fiesta ST. The plan with this one is track car, show car. We will be doing a wee episode on this. So we got the Fiesta for much cheapness pennies. We are going to get it built up ready for the track, hopefully for March, April time. And I can't help myself, I've already started modifying it. Let me talk you through what we've already done. So when we got it, it needed a few things. So we've got new exhaust rubbers because the exhaust was hanging off it. We'll put them on it. We've got new track rod ends on it. We have installed Luffy gauge, so we can keep an eye and control the boost and stuff like that. We have a quick shifter, we have a Turbo Smart dual port dump valve. It already has a mounting map on it, we're going to get rid of that. We've already got an induction kit and a crossover pipe on it. We've already got other modifications on the way and here still to fit. But today, which is the 27th of December, it's going to the body shop to get rid of a few dents and stuff like that so we can get it ready for wrapping. Are you going to guess what colour it is? Let us know in the comments. And that's really about it, that's what's been happening. So we are going to try and get more into the YouTube side of it, more social media, TikTok, Instagram, a couple of lives. A lot of people have been asking if we can go live with some of our stuff. We're going to do a build project on this. We've just finished the project on this, and the unit is just an ever evolving thing that's happening. Still got the ramp to finish with the tiles, still got the back end there to finish with the tiles. Just one thing after another. We make money, we spend it. That's what happens. So as I said, we're going to try and get as many videos done as possible, try and keep uploading, and that is it. So that is it. Hopefully you have a good Christmas. Hope you have an excellent new year, and hopefully we'll see you next week.